Hello and welcome to our course on software testing and career in QA industry. As you might be aware, software testing industry has been growing immensely in the past decade and has been emerging as one of the biggest players of IT industry. Nearly half of all the jobs out there in IT are in the software testing industry. With increase in competing products and bigger demand for customer satisfaction, testing industry is one of the best places for you to build a safe and successful career in IT. This course lets you master all the essential testing skills, right from testing fundamentals to core testing skills, tools and methodologies used in the industry, live project testing, creating all major test documents, industry trends, and all the career guidance you will need to get a dream job in QA testing industry. My name is Ram. I am an ISTQB certified test professional. I have been associated with testing industry since 2009 and I have worked with Cognizant Technology Solutions for clients like Intuit and McAfee. I have experience on silk test automation, QTP automation, and complete STLC management. Currently, I head a small IT startup where we work on testing projects and classroom trainings to IT aspirants. Teaching is my passion and I'm glad to be associated with Engineering Mentor in creating this course.
Hi, my name is Pratibha. I have been associated with testing industry since 2010 and I have worked as a manual test engineer in Infosys. I am a Cisco Certified Network Associate with experience in protocol testing and automation scripting. All the lectures in this course will be narrated in my voice. Let me quickly walk you through the curriculum now. We have around 10 sections for this course. The first section is an overview, which introduces you to the course, provides information about authors, course structure, and gives you answers to some of the frequently asked questions. Next section is about career in testing industry. This section provides all the essential information about software testing industry, like industry trends, career paths for testers, job opportunities, salaries and hiring trends commonly seen in testing industry. The third section is about testing fundamentals. This section introduces you to software testing, testing principles and myths prevalent in the industry and provides an overview of fundamental testing activities. The fourth section discusses some of the important software development lifecycle models used in the testing industry. Understanding STLC models will help you plan the testing activities better. The fifth section is about forms of testing. Here we discuss the two important approaches to testing that any project will follow: static testing and dynamic testing. We will also discuss different types of static and dynamic testing. Next section is about levels of testing. Testing need not wait until development is fully over. Testing activities can start in parallel with development. This section provides details on the different levels at which testing can be performed on the application under test. Seventh section is about testing types. Testing can be done to check for different types of user expectations. This section discusses two such classifications to testing: functional and non-functional testing. Next section is about software test lifecycle. Here we provide hands-on details about how to build different test artifacts, including test plans, test design documents, requirement traceability matrix, test cases and execution reports, etc. Ninth section is about defect management. Here we discuss defect identification, defect logging, and defect tracking in detail. We also provide details on how to use a popular open source defect management tool, Bugzilla. 10th section is about automation. Learn all the automation basics you need to start your venture into automation testing. We are always trying to update the course with new lectures and better resources to help you get the best out of this course. So whether you are a fresh graduate looking for a career option in testing industry, or an experienced tester looking to improve your testing skills or venture into automation, or a complete non-IT person looking to gain entry into IT field, this course will give you all the required skills about software testing. So join us inside, master all the testing skills, and kickstart your dream career into the world of software testing.